my name is Veronica. I'm a founder of Onconest.
And I'm Stan, the operational lead.
What is Onconest? Onconest is AI-powered companion for cancer patients. Every year, 20 million of people are diagnosed with cancer. By 2050, it will be increasing by 75%. Cancer patients face overwhelming data, informations, emotional chaos, and fragmented care. Onconest is here to help to navigate them through their process. We are democratizing information to more personalized way. The end user is a primary patient and as well caregiver. We would like to give them the solution that would help them with navigate the emotional chaos, to have the AI doctor preparations, and as well be able to connect with the community online and offline. We are targeting hospitals, clinics, oncology clinics, urology, as well pharmaceutical companies, CROs, health insurance companies. Currently we are facing the challenge regarding raising funds. We would like to find the right investors for us to accelerate the growth. Tenity Digital Health Accelerator is a great program for us to meet with the right network. We hope we will validate our business case and that we will be introduced to the relevant investors who will be supporting our growth.